Ollama versus vLLM. Choosing the right AI inference engine can transform your model deployment experience without complicated setups. Ollama offers simplicity and integration, while vLLM focuses on high-performance scalability. Ollama and vLLM are both powerful AI inference engines designed for running large language models efficiently. The core difference lies in Ollama's user-friendly interface and local deployment versus vLLM's focus on maximizing throughput and scalability in server environments. Ollama is an AI inference engine designed to simplify running large language models locally on your machine. It provides an easy-to-use interface that integrates seamlessly with popular models, enabling developers and enthusiasts to deploy AI without complex cloud configurations. Ollama works by managing model downloads, dependencies, and execution in a streamlined environment, prioritizing accessibility. Its strengths include straightforward setup, local privacy, and compatibility with various macOS and Windows systems. However, Ollama's limitations include less optimization for large-scale distributed workloads and slightly lower throughput compared to specialized server engines. Ideal users are developers, researchers, and hobbyists, seeking a hassle-free, privacy-conscious way to experiment with AI models on personal hardware without needing extensive infrastructure. vLLM is a high-performance AI inference engine optimized for serving large language models with maximum throughput and low latency. It leverages advanced batching and scheduling algorithms to efficiently handle concurrent requests, making it ideal for production environments requiring scalability. vLLM operates primarily in server or cloud settings where resource optimization is critical, supporting GPU acceleration and distributed deployments. Its strengths include exceptional speed, scalability, and ability to serve multiple users simultaneously without sacrificing responsiveness. The main limitations are a steeper learning curve and more complex setup compared to user-friendly local engines. vLLM targets enterprises, AI service providers, and developers who need robust, scalable infrastructure for deploying AI models at scale, prioritizing performance over simplicity. Comparing Ollama and vLLM highlights a trade-off between ease of use and raw performance. Ollama excels in local deployments where privacy and simplicity matter, perfect for individual developers or small teams experimenting with AI models on personal hardware. On the other hand, vLLM shines in large-scale multi-user environments, delivering superior throughput and latency by optimizing GPU usage and request batching. While Ollama offers quick startup and minimal configuration, vLLM demands more setup but rewards with scalable performance suitable for production. If your priority is seamless integration on a local machine without cloud dependency, Ollama is the better fit. For businesses or platforms needing to serve many users efficiently with heavy workloads, vLLM provides the necessary power and flexibility. Choose Ollama if you want an accessible, privacy-focused AI engine for local use with easy setup and model management on your personal computer. Options summarize versus LM and scalability and high throughput are essential, especially for cloud or server deployments handling multiple users. Both engines serve distinct needs, so align your choice with your project's scale and complexity for the best AI inference experience.